In this video, I dive into Brokermint, a popular CRM designed specifically for real estate professionals. I'll show you the interface, walk you through its key features, and share my personal experience using it for various real estate management tasks. Brokermint claims to streamline operations for brokers and agents alike, but does it live up to the hype? Starting with the dashboard, the design is clean and intuitive. It provides at-a-glance insights into your transactions, clients, and team performance. One feature I appreciated is how customizable the dashboard is, allowing users to tailor it to their unique needs. Navigating through the platform is straightforward, and the menus are well organized. Brokermint clearly prioritizes user-friendliness. Let's talk about one of the most valuable aspects: transaction management. Brokermint simplifies complex workflows by providing tools to manage every stage of a real estate transaction, from listing agreements to closing statements. You can automate document generation and track progress in real time, which is a massive time saver for busy professionals. Another standout feature is the commissions management tool. For brokerages with multiple agents, this is a lifesaver. It allows you to calculate splits, generate reports, and ensure accurate payouts. Combined with integration options for accounting software like QuickBooks, this feature is essential for streamlining financial operations. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check those out after watching the video. Brokermint also offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities. With pre-built templates and customizable reports, you can easily track performance metrics such as agent productivity, transaction volume, and revenue trends. These insights are crucial for making informed decisions and growing your business. Another highlight is its seamless integration with other tools. Brokermint works with a wide range of software, including MLS platforms, marketing tools, and accounting systems. This integration capability makes it a versatile choice for those already using other real estate technologies. Customer support is another factor worth noting. Brokermint offers multiple support channels, including live chat and email. In my experience, their team is responsive and knowledgeable, which adds significant value for users who might need assistance during setup or operation. While Brokermint excels in many areas, there are some limitations to consider. For example, smaller teams or solo agents might find the pricing steep compared to simpler CRMs. Additionally, while the platform is packed with features, there's a learning curve, especially for those new to real estate CRMs. In conclusion, Brokermint is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance the efficiency of real estate operations. It's particularly well suited for brokerages looking to manage transactions, commissions, and analytics in one place. However, it's important to assess whether the pricing aligns with your needs and whether the platform's features are essential to your workflow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials on real estate tools and software. Your support helps us create more valuable content for professionals like you.